Right, so I thought what we do this evening to kick off is have a look at a question that you had in your quiz from last week. And that was this one here. I think some of you might have been bowled over a little bit by this one, but let's have a look. Okay, let's have a second look at it. By the way, before I forget, as you know, tonight is quiz night, so you will be doing your quiz, and we also have a poll this evening. So we've got lots happening this evening. Your quiz will happen at about 1:45. And for new people, the quiz is just it's just something to check your progress and your understanding in this last lesson on this series of lessons on 2D trigonometry. Okay, so with that said, let's read. Remember from last time, if you're done reading, then just post your little emoji glasses reading face so that I can know that you are done and that we can all start thinking. Once we are done reading, we need to start thinking. Quick. Okay. Dots. Who is talking about dots? Tiamu, don't worry, don't stress. It's a no stress quiz. It's not a stress quiz. It's just to check how you're doing, how your understanding is. Of course, if you want to challenge yourself to get 100%, but remember you can retake the quiz as many times as you want. Okay, so we've got fast readers in this class. So we've got two towers or 12 meters apart. From B, the angle of elevation to DE is 29 degrees. And from D, the angle of elevation to BC is 48 degrees. Calculate the difference in the heights of the towers. Okay, so the difference in the heights of the towers. Let's see. I'm going to leave it up to you to solve this one in about 4 minutes. So have a look, and then in 4 minutes, don't post answers yet. Just work it out, give it a go for yourself. If you're not sure what to do, just start, just try somewhere, just do something, see where it takes you if you just begin. Okay, so in about 4 minutes, so at 1:15, we're going to check back in, see how you've done with this problem. No problem at all. Come, Tiamu, you can try. Yes, that is the best way. Yes, Amakli, you can round off to 2 decimal places. Zenande, just hold for like 30 seconds, then we will look at answers, but don't type it yet because I want everyone to just work it out first. Yes, good idea, Miss Courtney. So if you are done, post an emoji of your choice in the chat to let us know that you are done. Here's the monocle again. Love the monocle.
I don't know why.
Yeah.
The expression is so funny. Oh, we've got some interesting emojis this class. I like it.
Yeah. Oh, there's an
Oh,
interesting one. A bow.
oh, a peace sign. Wow. Okay.
Nice.
Loving this.
Okay, good stuff, everyone. So we're going to start probably by calculating ED. And because ED is the opposite side and the adjacent side is known, we can do tan of 29 degrees. And tan of 29 degrees will be ED over 12. And then you times by 12 on both sides, and you get ED is 6,65. Okay, so that's side ED. And then the height of tower BC, we can do tan again, but this time for 48 degrees. So 48 is BC over 12. And then we times by 12 on both sides, and then BC is 13,33. And because we are calculating the difference in the heights of the two towers, we're going to subtract. So we're going to say 13,33 minus 6,68, no, 65. And your answer is 6,68. Okay, so give me a thumbs up in the chat if you got that one right. Thumbs down if something went wrong. If something went wrong, what went wrong? Let us know so that we can sort it out. Miss Courtney, are you also doing a bit of trigonometry this evening?
I have to be honest, I'm not. I just put the thumbs up there because I wanted to be involved. I wanted to be included.
I hope none of our. I hope you're not getting our Watobians any ideas about just posting emojis, even though they didn't work it out.
No. Our students would never do that. They are too.
Yes, they are definitely too diligent. Okay, well done. Sure, I see so many thumbs up here. That is amazing. Yeah, this class is on fire. Okay, excellent. So that was from your quiz, and I think the others from your quiz were all fine. I think maybe on the day you guys were maybe a little bit thrown off by my question. But let's see the next one. I wonder if this one, let me just have another read through it. Okay, yeah, let's do this one. Go up a bit. C'est bon, this one. Okay, 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and then here's our next question. Okay, so these are our last questions I really tried to find some nice ones to make us think, especially after the parachute question on Tuesday. I haven't quite come up with another parachute question, but let's give this one a go. So in the figure below, AD is perpendicular to BC, AB is 15, angle B is 63,8, and DC is 13,2. So we have to determine AD, the length of AD, and then we have to calculate angle BAC. I think this is going to be no problem for this class. Does anyone want to share with us their ideas? How are we going to solve this one? Anyone want to put their hand up and let us know what you're thinking? What are your thoughts? Mathematicians, what are you thinking? Amakle, you've got your hand up. Tell me.
Ma'am, we're going to use triangle ABD and then use sine 63.8.
That's it. Good. And then for angle BAC? Let's do AD first and then take it from there. Hey, okay. Okay, so I think we're all on that page. We know that we need to use sine to find AD. So AD is going to be 15 times sine 63,8. Okay, so has anyone gotten any ideas yet about how we're going to find angle BAC? Oh, hello, Orikanisa. Orikanisa, tell us, what are you thinking?
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
I think we're going to use tan.
Yes, but which sides are we going to use? Because this is angle BAC. Which sides are we going to use for BAC? Okay,
BC and AB.
AC, okay. And so you're
BC
saying
and
AC and AB, okay. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. That's a good plan. The only problem is, for Misa, what are you thinking?
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
I think we could use, since they said we can use 10, we can use the side AD and DC.
AD and DC. So we just found AD. That is 13,46. Okay, but if we then, what do you want to calculate using those two sides?
We want to calculate the angle, so we're going to say shift 10 Hold on. Shift 10, 16.72 over 13 point. No, hold on. I'm wrong. Sorry.
Okay, so just be careful. Look at where the angle we are calculating is located. It's BAC. Any
Yes,
other
ma'am.
ideas? Yes, Dandalwetu, you can try.
Oh. No.
Remember, there's more than one way to do this. So I definitely think for Misu, you are on the right track. Definitely. Dandalwetu, are you going to tell us what you're thinking? Maybe we're going to multiply both sides, but remember we are solving for an angle, so we need to get a trig ratio involved here. Anyone else? Come. I'm sure someone knows. Masood, any ideas? Tiamo? How has this question thrown everyone? Okay, so there's a few thoughts being shared in the chat. We are getting the sum or difference of a triangle, probably the sum. Find BAD's angles first. Okay, yeah, we can find BAD first. And then what are we going to do after that? Who can share with me what they're thinking? Yes, I love all the thinking. We're almost there. Okay, so Tiamo says find DAC's angle. DAC. Yes, we can find DAC. And then secondly, we're waiting in anticipation, Tiamo. I hope you're typing fast enough.
I think they said that the first step was to find angle BAD, and now they're saying that this is step 2 to find angle DAC.
Okay, so find BAD and then find, okay, I missed the other part. Okay, Loveland's also saying find BAD and DAC and add them together. Wonderful. Ayla, someone's got an answer already for us, so that's excellent. Right, guys, there's about, I think, 3 or 4 ways that we could do this. Let's go with that way that was suggested. Let's find BAD and then DAC and add them together. We can do that. So for BAD, we are going to use opposite and hypotenuse. No, wait, I'm lying. Adjacent over hypotenuse, because we are finding the angle BAD. Wait, there's more to read here. Yes, Sean's right. We find to use cos. Okay, I'd love to read all of your questions and thoughts. That's really great, everyone. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this idea of finding cos of angle BAD, and that being adjacent over hypotenuse, so 13,46 over 15. And now we're going to use our shift button on our calculator. So shift cos 13.46 over 15. And then I get 26,19 degrees. Amahle, you must just round to 2 decimal places, okay? So that's BAD. And now we're going to solve for DAC. And for DAC, DAC, we're gonna say that's opposite and adjacent. So tan of DAC. No problem, Amakle. That's why we are here, to sharpen our skills. 13,46 over 13,2. So we're back on our calculator, going shift tan, 13.46, 13.2, and I get DAC is 45,56. And to get BAC, we're going to put all of those together. BAC is 26,19 plus 45,56. $71,75. Okay, shout if you got it. Shout if you, well, not, please don't all shout, but shout, let us know if that is what you got by giving us a thumbs up. If you used another way, let us know, because there are other ways. I saw that Ayla posted something for BAC. Let's just see, BAC. Okay, so we must just be careful for BAC. We have the 63,8, and then we could have also calculated this angle here, angle C, and then we could have done 180 minus. Okay. Come everyone, we're about 50 people in the class, so I want to see a lot more emojis here telling us how this went. If you got it, if you did it a different way. So another option was that you calculated angle C, the green one that I've highlighted here. You could have used opposite over adjacent. Of angle C, you could have used that one and calculated that one and added them together. That all would have worked. Huh. Tan of DAC is opposite over adjacent. Okay, sorry everyone, I need to just make a correction here. I got my sides the wrong way around. So actually, if you're doing DAC, the opposite side is 13,2 and the adjacent side is 13,46. So I swapped them. Sorry about that. Let's do that again. 13.2 over 13.46. We can't let that one go. Shift term. Yeah, I think that's better. 44,44 degrees. Yeah, opposite over adjacent. So all of you who gave thumbs up for the previous answer, I think you followed my mistake, unfortunately. So you must always check what your teacher's doing, eh? She might be catching on nonsense here and then giving you wrong answers. Amakle, you are definitely correct. It is 70,63. There we go. And then for angle A, Ntandakasi says 26,4. Yes, Masood, and it seems like some of you failed the test, unfortunately. Okay, right. Let's try and get one more done before our quiz has to start. Let's see what I got here for you. I think we're going to end off with something slightly easier. Okay. Okay, so here we've got a crane. You guys know those cranes that they use in construction sites. So calculate QR, the length of the horizontal part of the crane. Okay, so I'm going to leave you to it. Now I'm going to stay quiet and I'm not going to confuse you with any more mistakes. I'm going to leave you to it and you're going to solve QR. Let's check back in 4 minutes at 18:39. 18:39, we must be ready for answers. Don't post answers before then, okay? We want everyone to think on their own. Okay, so Portia, I assume that means you are done. Amachle. The thumbs up is for when you get the question right, eh? So we can't assume yet that it's right. We need a different emoji for when you're done, like the green tick. It's okay, Portia. Donut, okay. Where's the rest of the class? We've got about 30 seconds left. Are we on to food, Miss Courtney? Do you see? We got the taco, the avo, the
I'm
donut.
loving it. I love the creativity. We even had a microscope. We had an okay sign. An avocado. Oh, turtle.
It's a turtle. I love the turtle. Okay. So we are going to start. Well, there's a few ways. Well, actually, no, there's only one way. No, there's two ways to start. You could have started by solving for SR first or for QS first. But the point is that QR is made up of QS plus SR. So if you remember our previous lesson and the lesson before that as well, turned out to be a good idea to break the lengths up into different parts. So that's what we do here as well. It's something you do a lot of in 2D trig, is to break them up into different parts. So QS we can solve using QS over QP, and that is cos of 63. QP is 9, so QS is going to be 9 times cos 63. QS is 4,085 meters. Okay, so that's QS, and then SR we can do SR. So side that we want and side that we know the value of, that's SR over PR, and that is cos of 21. And then PR we know is 22, so SR is going to be 22 times cos of 21. And then SR rounded off is 20,54. I should have just made this 24,09. And then it's just a matter of adding them all together. So we get QR is 20,54 plus 4,09. And that is 24,63. There we go. Now you can put a thumbs up in the chat if you got it right.